Hi, this is Charting Man Dan of TheChartGuys.com, home of technical analysis education. Click the link for a free week trial, no credit card required, and gain access to our multiple live broadcasts daily, community chat room, educational videos, nightly watch lists, and more. Invest in your education and future and join the community today. Hey everyone, checking in on Netflix. So we had a clear bearish rejection from the middle Bollinger Band resistance and pulled back. Today we dumped down, bounced just above $90 psychological support. We can see that held as support back on June 30th, that lower wick bouncing off that level, seeing a similar reaction, gaining the 10-day moving average as support at 91.20, closing at the high of the day showing strength, and we're looking back up to test the high of yesterday, 93.10, and the middle Bollinger Band resistance of 93.15. That being said, if we set a lower high, unable to break the high of yesterday, look to consolidate and form a higher low compared to 90.10 as the range tightens after this gap up. The volume wasn't very high compared to yesterday. We can see we're closing in on a bullish MACD cross, but we're going to need to see continuation for that to happen, and the RSI is trying to cross 50 for the bulls. The weekly time frame is showing a nice bounce off this 100-week moving average. We did close below it last week for the first time in a long time. Last time we closed below it was back at the start of 2015. So regaining that is a good sign for the bulls. Very close to losing key support there and seeing a breakdown. But as of right now, we're still in this channel. Very clearly, we still have lower highs on Netflix. So unless we can get up and break 101.27, this lower high pattern will continue. Weekly resistance is the 10-week at 94.96. So it's really the shorter term time frames where the action is at. The 5-minute chart and the hourly chart pointing out some key levels to be watching and watching for continuation tomorrow. So if we break the high of today, 92.06, next level 93.10, and the middle Bollinger Band will be right there as well. So I highly encourage using those 5-minute charts because they give a whole lot more information, especially after a big gap up in terms of support and resistance. But combining it with the daily and weekly charts, that's what had us looking at this middle Bollinger Band resistance yesterday and seeing that the top rejected from that level. And that gave us some confidence for a bearish play as we pulled back and saw profit taking. So I appreciate you watching. We'll see if the bulls can continue this bullish hammer candlestick. Have a good night.